Good afternoon, guys. It is a somewhat chilly day. Not too bad, I guess to say. The sun's shining, of course. Having plenty of fun with the M5, but also the 335. In the garage for more of my video series. But wanted to talk about the biggest topic. Probably try to know what I'm trying to get here next based on the title of this video. And it's time to talk about it again. So yes, I am being serious. Let's go ahead and get this video started. Guys, so you're probably curious as far as what I'm trying to hit at. I did this very same thing when I wanted to get another car, keeping the 335 of course, and hence why I bought my 2016 BMW M5. Now the M5, I wanted to go that route because I need a bigger vehicle. I have 3 kids, a wife of course. We like, going different places, all that kind of stuff. I just needed a bigger vehicle, right? The 3 Series, is of course a smaller car, but I wanted to not sacrifice on power, but have a bigger sedan. So hence the M5, and modding that one, of course, tune intake and some of the other cosmetic mods per se. It was more so like just a fun car, right? With obviously still having the 335i. Now I built this channel all on this 335i, so 450 videos, I think just on this car alone, which is tons of content just on one vehicle. So I've been really thinking about doing yet another BMW. I do not want to get rid of the 335i, so the N54 I think will always stay. I'm never going to sell it. I've just had it for a long time, and it's just fine its purpose from that perspective. But I want to get into what I probably should have got into here about a year ago, is going on the B58 platform. Doing the new G20 series, doing an M340i, so that way you get the B58 TU, so the newer version of the B58, but the newer BMW style, of course. So I've been really having that probably at the top of my list, just because of I feel like the content you guys will be able to have more value to it, right? Because the B58 is in the 340, plenty other different vehicles, I guess to say, for the last few years. And it's just like the N54 to that regard, as far as plenty of power and stuff like that. So just trying to make some more content that's a little bit more relative to maybe what you guys are really kind of looking for. Really probably going down that path versus any other decision that I had on my community tab there that you guys voted. Appreciate you voting. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about that? I'm trying to debate if I'm gonna add it on top of the M5 or get rid of the M5 and get the M340i with the N54 335i, obviously, that you see here. So just trying to figure out different scenarios that I can do, and also figure out, really kind of what you guys are thinking too. So really, like I said, I always try to provide any kind of value back to you guys, try to help you save money, of course. So that's where I'm kind of thinking, right? Because I've always been also a B58 fan for a long time, really since they came out in 2016. So I loved it to death. I probably really should have jumped on it sooner, but let me know what you guys think. All right, well, hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. Let me know your thoughts, of course, and I will have a video tomorrow on the 335i, doing some stuff, get the quick jacks back under it, and then plenty more videos to come on the 335 only. Thanks again, and we'll be chatting with you here tomorrow. Take care.